Several years ago, CO2 was not able to be used in warmer climates due to low efficiency in traditional cycles. Now, there are more than 30,000 CO2 installations globally, and the number continues to grow. This is also thanks to new technologies, such as ejectors, which do some of the work usually done by the compressor, yet without consuming power. The result is an increase in performance of up to 25%. These devices simply exploit a phenomenon that was discovered at the end of the 18th century by an Italian physicist, Giovanni Battista Venturi. He realized that the pressure and velocity of fluids are related.